Holy Week na, it's the perfect time to eat your vegetables and go meat-free. Okay, kwento time. Many years ago, meron akong naging ka-work na Japanese. Tapos tinanong niya ako, what's your favorite food? Veg na ako nun. So sabi ko, I like vegetables, anything vegetables. Tapos sabi niya, I like vegetables too. My favorite is mabudohu. Tapos sabi ko, What's mabudohu? Natigilan ako kasi hello, vegan ako. Dapat alam ko kung ano yung gulay na mabudohu. Sabi niya, mabudohu. It's red, it's spicy, it's soft, very delicious. Tapos tinanong ko, is that from Japan? Sabi niya, no, from China. Tapos pagkaalis niya, ginugol ko kagad kung ano yung mabudohu. Sabi ni Google, no search results for mabudohu, but showing results for Mapo tofu. Tama naman lahat ng descriptions niya. May language barrier lang. Since then, every time may mapo tofu, mabudohu ang naiisip ko.